So my name is Anne English and I'm a project manager here in the ADAPT Centre. I didn't ever see myself working with AI. I studied something very different. I studied French and German. Through working with companies like Intel and the London School of Economics and Accenture, I ended up working more specifically in the IT sector and then ultimately with AI. I think the favourite part of my job is the fact that you get to work with people across different disciplines and levels. So I get to work with other project managers, I get to work with academics, I get to work with industry people, and then I get to work with people from PhD level right up to the professors. So it means I'm speaking to very different levels in very different sectors all the time. I think it would really help people to realise that to work in AI, you don't need to be a computer scientist and you don't need to develop or implement code. Once you're in this sector, other opportunities will arise and open up. For example, the fact that I work with IT projects and I work with AI has opened the door for me to become a research team manager with the School of Botany on a research project around novel ecosystems. I get to work with people that are doing something that matters, that makes an actual difference in Ireland today.